Hello everyone, this is Tanis from Uinno. We are a product development company that incorporates the best software development practices out of the 10-year professional experience of its founders. This is a brand new way of communication for myself and the company. So please, don't judge me too hard. Today we're going to talk about e-learning market, which is drastically booming these days. And it's no wonder, because who didn't try to learn language or pass online course during the pandemic? How else do Ukrainian kids have to continue studying during this cruel Russian invasion other than through online governmental school programs? It seems like everyone has experienced remote digital learning, and this tendency will only grow. Based on a report from Fortune Business Insights, it is expected that e-learning market will grow from 16 billion in 2022 to around 41 billion in 2029, with a compound annual growth rate of 14%. So, it makes perfect sense that unis, schools, and other representatives of classical education move towards digitalization in their learning process. And what else? Influencers, startups, small businesses. For example, influencers need a solution for scaling or gamification of their specialized courses. Startup founders probably see something they can give to the market, while small businesses can train employees and develop LMS software specifically for these purposes. So, in this video, we will consider which solution to choose from between the ready-made, customized, or custom e-learning product, on the example of LMS software, because this kind of product fits most of the business objectives. By the way, LMS is a profitable business investment. Did you know that every dollar invested in digital learning for employees turns into a ROI of $30 for a company? But first, let me ask you, why do you actually watch this video? Most probably, you are watching it for two reasons. So first, you either already made the research and realize that existing software doesn't match your own business needs, or you don't want to spend time on making this research. So let's get to the point. First, let's use the same terminology. And under Learning Management System, or LMS in short, I would mean any mobile app, web app, or software solution that allows people to perform and control specific e-learning process on a remote basis via digital means of communication. Now, let's understand why LMS is so beneficial, which is super simple to me. It saves money and time. It removes barriers, including transfer connection, language miscommunication, cultural differences, and others. On top of that, people can connect to learning material from any place, at any convenient moment. Now, as a business owner, your main concern is what LMS software to choose for a corporate education program. And the best answer is, I wish it could be so easy to name the best option for everyone, but it's not. I want to be honest with you. So there are actually three possible options. First, use a ready-made LMS where you can choose an existing LMS provider and pay for a selected plan with limited options. Second, customize an existing LMS where you will need to partially pay for a selected amount of features within a certain LMS product, and additionally hire software developers to implement the extra functionality. Third, and the last one, create a custom LMS product that will strictly serve your business goals and requires to be developed by a team of professional engineers. I'll be really happy to describe to you every single option in more detail, but we have already analyzed it in our article by such components as applicability, feature set, effectiveness, scalability, price, and much more. So why waste your time? Simply click the link below the video and check the comparison table. Okay, ready to move on? Great, because remember, the best answer is, here's the actual answer from my own experience. As answer is, the custom digital solution. The best LMS software to choose for a corporate education program is the custom solution. Well, because you want to create a unique value proposition for the market. Because you don't want to follow behind, but instead be the first in a row of your industry leaders. You ask, what a custom digital solution provides? Surely, it's a much more interesting because it gives you a broader perspective. So now, let me tell you more about the benefits that custom e-learning development brings. A professional overview of your business requirements, thorough business analysis, and the right discovery phase add value to a business model and allows the creation of the best fitting LMS software. Then it matches all your objectives and allows the implementation of only the necessary functions. Next benefit is that all functionality is native, and so all communication between each part is smooth and is fully protected from any external vulnerabilities. And everyone knows how security is crucially important in the era of GDPR and so many security scandals. And when the whole product development process is conducted by a unified development team, you don't have to worry about any possible lags. The right solution design and the architecture, chosen from the beginning, guarantees your LMS product scalability and unlimited business growth. So it all is what a custom solution development does. And if this is what you need, and you're on your way to the custom eLearning development, let me tell you what you need to consider first. So what separates one LMS from another? Surely it's features that make a user stick to one software and avoid another one. In short, there are two types of features. Basic functionality like login page, simple dashboard, notifications, course creation, certification, etc. is what you will find in any basic LMS. And custom features that provide a unique value proposition for any product and allow each company to stand out among competitors. For example, the language learning giant Duolingo makes people stick to it via gamification, where the oral learning process is easily organized in a form of engaging adventure. I reckon any businessman would love to raise the product to the heights of Duolingo. Would you? Let me tell you one really important thing. Train watchfulness. Review different products from different niches and apply what suits you the best in your own product. But beware that it has to be smooth and solid. Now let's talk about the most interesting, money. One of the most important questions is to think about how much would it cost to develop a custom learning solution. As usual, any custom solution is heavily dependent on next things: the number of features to be implemented, the development team expertise, the team's hourly rate, the complexity of the chosen technology stack, and many more depending on the complexity of the project itself. Of course, we can break down the cost of LMS development in detail using data tables, schemes, and various calculations. As a result, you will get some visionary LMS in a vacuum where costs will dramatically differ from the real project. But we don't want to mislead you. Instead, please check our article to get the details of basic app development cost calculation. And you will see that in total, the whole LMS development cost can take from $19,000 to $120,000. And that's just the basic functionality. So why there is such big difference between the maximum and the minimum amounts? Well, the answer is simple. Because vendors' rate card can differ a lot. So, if you have a project in mind and you want a transparent estimation, use our contacts below the video. By the way, if you want to see the video that explains how to choose the best fitting vendors for your project, or who you should avoid in the first place, just leave the comment and most likely the next video will tell you about it. Now I would love to tell you about our experience. At Uinno we have broad expertise in web and mobile development, as well as we have raised numerous MVPs for the startups in different domains. We are inspired to implement our engineering approach into the most challenging projects and deliver the most promising software solutions on the market. Probably one of the most interesting experiences was the technology consultant for Onyx, an e-learning product company that works with well-known companies like Bosch, Pringles, Mercedes-Benz, and many more. You can find more information about this particular case in the link below the video. But just in short, our main task was to help the client to refactor the app code from one technology stack to another one and make it clean. Besides, we have established a new strategy for further product development to enable its future scalability and maintainability. As a result, Uinno experts took a role of CTO to manage the development process and mentor the client's development team with a mission to bring a quality product to the market that best represents the client's value. If you want to know more about other case studies of our engineering team, you can find the description in the video or just visit our website. I really hope that the information that I shared with you today was both engaging and educative. So thank you for listening, and I really hope to see you soon.